Alright, here we go. Goo meets Eduardo. Uh-oh.
What's going on?
What is that? What is that? Wee.
Are you saying rain already?
Here we go. Your legs are getting all wet. See, that's your first tropical storm. Wimp. Not a single bit of thunder. Are you gonna go? Watch out, Sonia.
What is that? Getting all wet, baby Judy. You got all wet. So good.
Okay. Just a little bit longer. Don't want you to get cold. Are you cold?
She doesn't seem to care.
Is it time to come back inside? Okay. All done.
All done.
She says, all done.
Okay.
No.
Once more.
One more time.
She says,
Once more. Come on, baby goo. Time to come back inside. Anna.
Hey, Sonia.
Hey, Mr. Kenny. Do you want to see the rain bit too?
Oh, I'm gonna need to be able to close the door.
Okay.
Oops.
Whee.
Goodbye.
Okay. All done.